Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever dreamed of creating Hollywood-level videos without actors, cameras, or even an editor, just by typing a single prompt, and for free? Well, today we're diving deep into Wan 2.2, the latest open-source AI video generation model that's completely changing the way creators work. The best part? You don't need to be a developer or have a Hollywood budget to use it. By the end of this video, you'll know how to install and run Wan 2.2, plus I'll share some online platforms where you can use it instantly. Trust me, this model can take your videos from pretty good to absolutely stunning, and you'll never have to pay for closed-source tools again. It's already outperforming Kling 2.0. So let's jump right into it. What is Wan 2.2? Before we start installing anything, let's break it down. Wan 2.2 is an open-source video generation model developed by Alibaba. We actually reviewed Wan 2.1 before, and it got a lot of love from creators. Now, version 2.2 takes things to the next level. Better video quality, smoother motion, faster generation speed. And it comes in 3 versions: T2V-A14B, the highest quality text-to-video option; I2V-A14B, image-to-video, turning a single frame into smooth animation; TI2V-5B, a lighter version that runs even on consumer GPUs. If you've used other open-source video models before, you'll notice Wan 2.2 is faster and produces fewer artifacts. Simply put, this is one of the most powerful free video generation tools out there. Now let's get hands-on. And don't worry, if you can install a game on Steam, you can totally do this. Step 1. Install Comfy UI. Head to Comfy UI's official site. I've linked it in the description. Before you install, make sure you have at least 30 gigabytes of free space. Once ready, run the installer, select your GPU. Pick the first option if you have one. No GPU? No problem. Choose the second option and enable CPU mode. Pick your install location. This needs around 15 gigabytes, not counting model files. Keep clicking. Next, then hit install and wait for the files to download. Step 2, download the model. Open Comfy UI. Go to the top right corner and click Workflow. Browse Templates. Video. You'll see all 3 Wan 2.2 versions there. If your PC isn't super powerful, I recommend the third one. It runs the fastest. Click it, download the required files and models, and you'll see your workflow appear. Step 3. Generate your first video. Now, edit the prompt section in the middle. Each block has labels explaining what it does. Pay special attention to video resolution and duration settings at the bottom. For your first try, keep it simple, then click Run and let it process. Depending on your GPU, it might take a few seconds or a few minutes. The first render can be slow, but don't panic. It gets much faster after the initial run. And if you don't have a high-end PC, no worries. Let's talk about the online version. How to use Wan 2.2 online. Several platforms already support Wan 2.2, like Abacus AI and Vadu AI. Here's an example using Abacus AI. Open Abacus AI. Bottom right corner, click More, find Video Gen, select Wan 2.2, enter your prompt, and boom, you're generating videos instantly. If you want even more platforms, check our official site. We've got a full list to save you a ton of time. Now let's take a look at some real examples. Wan 2.2 is hands down one of the most powerful open-source video generation tools available right now. You've learned how to install it, run it, and even use it online. If you're a beginner, this is the perfect way to get started. If you're already deep into content creation, Wan 2.2 can seriously speed up your workflow. Try it out! Experiment with different prompts and drop a comment to tell me what kind of the videos you're planning to make. And if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe, because I'll be covering advanced prompt engineering, model fine-tuning, and full workflow automation in upcoming videos. Now go turn your ideas into amazing videos with Wan 2.2.